Fish don't sneeze. 鱼不能打喷嚏。Written by Kirstie Watson and illustrated by Nina Kurova. Fish don't sneeze. Be unique. 做独特的。Be different. 做不一样的。Be you. 做自己。There once lived a fish who had an unusual problem. 从前住着一个鱼，它有一个非常不寻常的问题。Achoo! He had a bad case of the sneezes. 他有这一个打喷嚏的问题。It was making him very unpopular amongst the other sea creatures. 这个呢，就让他呢，在其他的海底生物之间呢，变得非常的不受欢迎。Who had nicknamed him Sneezy? 他们呢，就把他做成了一个绰号，叫做 Sneezy。Sorry, can't talk now, Sneezy. 不好意思，现在不能说话哦。Things to do， 还有事情要忙。Said one fish. Oh, I can't stop. I'm off to play in the scary shipwrecks. 我没有办法停下来，我要离开，要去这个很恐怖的这个沉船的海底玩。Said another fish. 这个另外一个那个 fish 说着 ，Is that the time? 时间到了吗 ？Got to go. 我要走喽。Said another. 另外一只 fish 又说了，No matter how hard he tried to make friends, no one wanted to play with Sneezy. He felt sad and alone. 不论他怎么样努力呢，去尝试的要交朋友，但是没有人呢想要跟 Sneezy 一起玩。他感觉非常的沮丧，又非常的难过。Why doesn't anyone want to be with me, my friend? He asked one day. 为什么没有一个人要跟我一起做朋友呢？ Sneezy jumped when an unexpected voice answered him. Sneezy 就 jump， 他跳了。当有一个非常没有期待的声音回答了他。It's because you are different. They don't understand a fish that sneezes. 当然，这是因为你不一样啦，他们不能够了解一个鱼为什么打喷嚏。It's not very normal, said the little fish. 这不太寻常，这只小鱼说啦。Oh, but I want to be normal, said the Sneezy sadly. 但是我也很想要变成正常啊，他非常沮丧地说了。Don't be sad. I will help find a way to stop your sneezes. I'm tiny, by the way. 不要难过，我会帮助你去停止你的打喷嚏。I'm tiny. 我是小小的。By the way， 顺便一提。Tiny thought for a moment and smiled. Don't worry, I've got a plan. 不要紧张，我有一个主意。The first thing we can try is quite unusual. 第一件事情我们要这个 try 要尝试的是有一点点的不寻常。You need to swim up to the surface of the water, pop your head out, and count to 10. Easy, said Tiny. 你必须要呢游上这个水面上 ，pop your head out， 把你的头呢伸出外面，然后数到10，非常简单的。Girl, I've never done that before, Sneezy said. 我从来没有做过这件事情诶 ，nervously， 非常紧张的说。But okay, if you think it might work. 但是好吧，如果你觉得这真的有效。Mustering his courage, up he swam. 拿起他的勇气，他接着游了。Slowly at first, then faster and faster until he could see daylight ahead. 他一开始非常的慢，接着越来越快了，直到他可以看到这个前面的日光。You can do it! Yelled Tiny from below. 你可以做到的。Sneaky took a deep breath, then bravely popped his head out into the fresh air. 他非常的深呼吸，然后呢，很勇敢的把他的头伸出了水面上去。And he began to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then he dived back under the sea. How do you feel now? Asked Tiny. 你现在觉得怎么样呢？ I feel great, and it must have worked because achoo! He sneezed so hard that whoosh, Tiny was sent tumbling head over fin. 他这个打喷嚏打得很严重，结果 whoosh, Tiny 被他搞得这个 tumbling 跌倒了，非常完全的跌倒了。Oh, it didn't work, said Sneaky miserably. 他非常艰苦的就说这个没有办法，这个没用。Never mind, I've got another idea, said Tiny. 不要紧，我还有另外一个方式。The second thing is a little bit silly. 第二个方式有一点点的傻。But it is what you need to do. 但是这正是你要做的。Swim around as fast as you can. 就是呢，游着，以你最快的速度游着 ，upside down and count to 10. Dimple. 然后呢 ，upside down. 然后颠倒过来游 ，and count to 10， 然后数到10，非常简单。Sneaky felt dizzy at the very thought。Sneaky 一开始觉得这个想法非常的让他头昏脑胀。Don't worry, you've got this, said Tiny。不要紧的，你一定可以做到的。Sneaky flipped upside down and swam around as quickly as he could. 他呢就把他自己颠倒过来，然后游着他最快的速度游着。He felt dizzy. 他非常的觉得头昏脑胀。But if it worked, it could be worth the trouble. 但是如果这成功的，那这一点这种小小的困难不算什么。He counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, has it worked? Asked Tiny eagerly. 这有用吗 ？Tiny 非常渴望的知道。It must have, Sneaky replied. 这一定有用的。He sneezed so hard that, whoosh, a nearby starfish was sent spinning like a wheel. 他这个打喷嚏打得好严重，这个附近的这个 starfish 这个海星啊 was sent spinning， 就是呢被它呢滚动的，就像是这个轮子一样的快。No, that definitely didn't work, said Tiny. 不行，这个完全的没用。But don't fret, I've got one more idea we can try. 但是不要担心，我还有另外一个主意，我们可以试着。This will be frightening, but that's the point. 这可能会有点恐怖，但是这就是我们需要的。If you want to stop sneezing, you need a good scare. 如果你想要停止打喷嚏，你就必须要有一个非常好的一个受惊吓。We just need to think of something that's scary enough， 我们就只要想哪一个东西是最恐怖的。Scared? I don't like being scared. Scared, 受惊吓，我不想要被吓到。But okay, I will give it a go. 我会试着的。Sneaky thought for a moment. The old ship ring is the scariest place I can think of. Inside are hideous beasts who eat little fish for fun. 哦，有一个很破旧的这个沉船啊。It's the scariest place. 这是我想过最恐怖的一个地方。Yes, and 在里面呢，有非常恐怖的一些野兽，它们专门吃小鱼 ，just for fun， 就是为了乐趣。Sounds just a place. 哦，这听起来就是这个地方。Said Tiny, "You should swim inside, then count to 10. Don't worry, I will come and wait outside." 那不要担心，我会在这旁边，在外面等着你的。Sneezy swam gingerly into the dog and ear rake. 那么 Sneezy 呢，他很缓慢地游着，进入了这个又黑又旧的这个船里面。He started to count. 1, 2, 3. He made his way through the shadow. 4, 5. What was that? He was sure he'd seen something move. 是什么？他保证他看到了有一个东西在动。6, 7, 8. Who's there? 这谁在那里？ He yelled into the darkness. 9, 10. Ah! He swam away as fast as his fins could carry him. 他非常急忙着游，他的鳍呢能够足以载着他一起游 almost knocking into Tiny on the way out. 那几乎呢，他就撞上了 Tiny， 在他游出去的时候。Well, don't keep me guessing. Has it worked? Asked Tiny. 哦，不要让我猜，这有用吗？ I'm not sure, but maybe. Wait. Achoo! It sneezed so hard that, whoosh, even the seaweed had to hold on tightly. 他又打次了喷嚏，这一次呢，海草都要非常抓紧着这个地上啊。Nothing has worked, sighed Tiny. 根本一个点事也没有发生。Not swimming to the surface, swimming upside down, or even being frightened in a shipwreck. 这样子去游到了水面上，还是这个游着这个倒立着游，或者是 being frightened， 就是被吓到，这个都没有用。Perhaps we can try again tomorrow. 好吧，那明天我们再试试看，可以吗？ No, it's okay, said Sneezy. 不用了，这个可以的，不用了，没关系。Okay, Tiny asked. I thought you'd be very disappointed. 我以为你会非常的失望。Me too, but I've had fun today, and I've learned something. 我也是很失望，但是我今天玩得很快乐，而且我还学会了一些事情。Sneaky smiled， 他就笑着啦。This is who I am. I'm happy being different. 这就是我啊，我很快乐，不一样。I'm happy being me. 我很快乐做自己。He beamed. And best of all, I've found a friend. 但是最好的事情就是我找到了一个朋友。You helped me when no one else could. 你呢，就帮助我，当没有任何一个人帮助我时。You've been there through sneezing big and small. You are the greatest friend any fish could hope for. 你呢，就是一个最好的朋友，任何的鱼呢，可以希望最好的朋友了。Best friends, they said together. 最好的朋友。Achoo! The end.